How to fix TikTok filter not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok filter not working on Android phone. First open settings and then go to apps and then apps again and go to TikTok. All you need to do just click force stop and then go to storage and click clear cache and now go to permissions, enable storage, this one, and now go to this way, go back until you find battery, click on it and enable this one, performance mode, and disable power saving mode, and that's it. And try again, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.